Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. William Gallas will be one of Arsenal former defenders. Don't come outside, call it talk about Mikel Arteta and our objectives of this new season. So but back on the talk say if Arteta and him boys no secure top 4 for this season now, with all the momentum where they go with them, with all the Zinchenko, everybody, say Arteta go dey in very big problem. Say there's no two way to look about it. Say we already finished 5th last season, so this time around everybody is expecting us to progress, to do better than what we did last season. So it's either we are getting the top 4 or we are winning the Premier League. One of all these two. Say it's either Arteta do one, otherwise they go start with the call for a head, because it will be a no-brainer. It no go make sense if after we finish 5th last season, we can't come for this season, come to finish 7th, come to finish 6th. It no go make sense. Even get one interview when I watch about Conte. So Conte can analyze how the season they go. Say themselves, they know they plan to go win the league. They then just want to do better than what they do last season. And even at that, say sometimes you know to be guaranteed. So back on talk say like 2 or 3 seasons ago, Manchester United won 2nd place, Abi. As in with 2nd place, they can go for transfer window, come buy Sancho, come buy Rafael Varane, they come buy Cristiano Ronaldo. That's 2 seasons ago. So that the upcoming season they go fit win the league, Abi. But now they can't go finish 6th. Imagine you finishing 2nd and the upcoming season they can't go finish 6th, even after buying 3 top players where you expect to go help you win the league. So sometimes what you wish for may not be what you get at the end of the day. So now so you go be bothered. Just the praise say all the people they don't buy. We say we go to praise all the people we say we don't buy will help us achieve our goal, because now top 4 is very very hard. Like even with Henry Igwe they talk. Henry say the Arsenal DNA is winning, and whether I like it or not, come rain, come sun, come weakness, come strength, come anything you want to talk, you must always finish in the top 4 as an Arsenal. You must be one of the top 4 teams in the EPL. Like that is the goal of majority of these people. Like we don't know say Henry will be say not be by winning the league, but you must always finish in the top 4 so that I can go to the Champions League. Well, we don't want as everything they go. Arsenal don't announce Mari deal officially. Those are before Fabrizio they do here we go and all that, but now Arsenal don't announce them officially on their platform. Say the guy they go out on loan to go join Monza. For 1 season long loan. So hopefully if Monza no go relegation, then they will cover out the 6 to 7 million euros. Can't give Arsenal thereabouts. So we don't wish they don't go relegation, because the guy will not really need them again. Make just go so that we don't create space. That's what it is. Marital spirit that they call sport witness. Don't come outside self, come they let us know say Mikel Arteta like Moussa Diaby. He like the way the guy they play. But the problem is say Bayer Leverkusen, the reason say they don't want to sell the guy. The guy is not for sale, because when you look at the attack, now Moussa Diaby and Patrick Schick, and then they make things they happen there. But some other sources gonna let us know say though if Arsenal offer them like 70 million pounds, it will fit turn their head, look us. Consider the selling of Diaby. But do you see Arsenal offering by Leverkusen 70 million pounds for Moussa Diaby? Do you see that happening? Because me personally, I don't see that kind of deal happening. So I don't know what you think. And let me know for the comment section. Brendan Rodgers don't come outside from media setting where they come they ask him about Arsenal game. You know, say that them with Arsenal will play. We are hosting them in the Emirates on Saturday by 3 p.m. So they come they ask him say how you take see this new Arsenal side, this resurgent side after we don't buy the kind of players we buy. So back on the talk say truth be told, Arsenal are in a new level. You get after they signed 3 players, as in 3 of the players we at least in know them. We don't hear about their finishing and everything they do. So number 1, Gabriel Jesus and Zinchenko. Say they signed 2 world-class players, like players that are used to world-class environments. You cannot compare the environment in Etihad with the environment in Emirates or the environment in Leicester City. You know, we'll compare them, because these ones are used to winning something every season. They are serial winners. They have like 8 EPL titles between the 2 of them. That's Zinchenko and Gabriel Jesus. Then you come and add another person in the form of Saliba. Saliba don't go out on loan. become the young best player in League One. Came to EPL, played the first game, and he was very, very dominant. Now, what's in talk? Nobody saying I mean they add this one. He talk and say Saliba is a very, very dominant player. It gives them physical presence at the back. So when you now add this one plus, other people will be saying no even call, we never even start to show themselves. I must say Arsenal is going to be a force to be reckoned with. Like, I've talked some good things about us. So just the what we meet, we'll knock them. But another thing we fear, we say Jimmy Vardy get this knack, get this, I don't know, one kind of spirit. We say entering play Arsenal, go to show himself. Well, until Saturday now, we'll see how it goes up. Lee Dixon himself don't come outside because they talk about Saliba. Lee Dixon, one of Arsenal greats. So Baba come outside and say, in the year all the balls about William Saliba, he gets, but Premier League is not about one game. You played against Crystal Palace and you are singing your praises every here and there. Simply then calm down, say he go assess Saliba after 37 games. Has he played in Anfield where the pressure is high, top notch, where the balls are moving like this before you know but don't move? Has he played at the Etihad? You know, don't they call some kind of tough grounds? Has he played there? Has he gone to Stamford Bridge? You know, some kind of places where we say top class players, they will test your resolve, you know, let you know whether you're good. So in they ask all these questions, so I never really know. Well, more they watch. I mean, as we say Baba they make, say all this Saliba, who they make noise. How many games you don't play? And chill now, make him play plenty games. They will assess him. On my way from that, so when the year say Reece Nelson don't get injury, so the guy get quad injury, and the guy go dey out for several months. It's a pity. Because this guy, like person is in a right winger MP, like all those kind of Saka there, and Saka wing they play. Listen, there be three who will get for that Saka wing, like him, Saka, and Pepe. Three of them 9 days there. So wish him all the best and quick recovery. On my mandatory spirit that they call Ebola, don't come outside, they let us know, say Arsenal they offer £25 million for Pepe. Pepe na Porto star, the guy they play for Porto, so Arsenal don't offer them that money, though they reject that. Say the money too small. So what they want now £50 million. So I don't know that Arsenal will go back. I get somebody who even tell me for the comment section, say, I just go watch that Pepe guy. Say the guy did very, very good. Me never watch the guy, I don't go lie for you. Today I'll go check him. But for those who don't see him, they don't say the guy did very, very good. Arsenal offer 25 million. They reject him. So this one should say truly, Arsenal they highly interested in signing a right winger. We go compliment Saka, but who he go be, we never really know. Many names don't come up. Even some people see the talk say Arsenal still go back for Cody Gakpo. Say no go reason I never really know. No just dey watch and since they go. Even the Evening Standard don't come aside because they let us know say Leicester City don't they resolved now. Say okay now they are willing to accept £25 million for Yuri Tillemans. They know the reason say they won't collect £32 million again, and the reason they say they don't ginger the guy, say whether I go sign contract extension. No, the guy don't clear them. Say see, I know they sign anything. I get a contract, but I sign. Say maybe I go stay 3 years or maybe I go stay 4 years. It don't remain 1 year. I still willing to honor my contract. Man, finish him again. That's why the guy they willing to stay this season now, even though they're not renewing contract. Maybe finish him so then go out as a free agent, make more money and have more control over where he is going. That is his own plan now. And what did they make Brendan Rodgers the reason say to sell this guy? And I get as because Chelsea don't almost buy Wesley Fofana. They don't offer £70 million. It never happened. But now Brendan Rodgers they give them that indication, say okay, maybe I offer one more bid, I will sell the guy. So Chelsea they think say if they offer like £80 million, Leicester will sell Fofana. And why did they sell all their prize assets? Is because they don't have the finance to buy players, so they must sell their assets before they will buy more. Now the kind of situation where they see themselves, which is very, very sad. Well, I never know whether Arsenal now go come go for this guy. When we say the price don't come down, do Arsenal even have a realistic? As in, did they see you return them as a realistic target? Now, another to myself are the reason because everybody just they push this thing. You know, be saying now only us they push the name. Maybe the attacker said they don't even they reason the guy. Like maybe they don't even rate him. Now we just they rate the guy for our own mind. I go to that thing. Even Danny Murphy said don't come outside because the talk say Martinelli then go be the EPL young player where people supposed to watch out for this season because say the guy good gone. Say another thing that made the guy they fit. As long as saying they fit, they play regularly. Say the guy go score goals going, he will make assists because he pays and the guy don't get more experience as the season comes. Say the guy did very, very good. People just go watch out for him. Then on the lighter news, there Fabio Vieira don't they fit and available for selection. Now Maritali Spirit that they call corner home. and then they let us know say the physios of Arsenal they don't certify and say okay Baba you don't do alright. If you play for the match we will play against Leicester, so they can select that. So that's good thing, sha. Not just the watch, but I don't think Arteta go select that. ISIS we don't win where that kind 80 minutes and just throw. See the way they put Kylian and Coman Zinchenko at that kind of level. Just throw him, may play like 10 minutes, may just they fit one kind. For the people with the top the spending of this transfer summer, so now Chelsea don't overtake Arsenal with £176 million, £176.5 million. They don't overtake Arsenal. Arsenal for second position because Chelsea don't spend money like it tomorrow. That their new owner, third boy, that man the para, money yakpa everywhere. This money bust anywhere. Anywhere they say they sell one top player, they'll go there, pay over the top. If you talk say they find 20 million, they'll pay 25 because they get plenty money to waste. Well, this is what it is now. Marca will be in Spanish newspaper organization. They call the come outside, they let us know say Liverpool they're willing to pay the same amount we Arsenal don't pay for Jeremy Pino. See, they won't pay the 40 million euros that they are willing to pay it as long as the guy will choose where he go, because themselves they are also interested in the guy. For those who they say the guy no good, Liverpool is gunning for him. Not only Liverpool and Arsenal, the rival for him. So I don't know where the guy will go, because if he really needs playing time, if he has a realistic chance of playing, he will choose Arsenal. Because when you go to Liverpool, who you want bench? I don't understand. I go to bench is Salah, so I never know how it will be. Well, more just to watch at 17 ago. Away from that, so Man City they plot a late Kylian swoop, like they plan how they will collect Kylian, and this one they come off the backdrop say they don't already sign Gomez from Anderlecht. Gomez and left centre back. This is the one sign Cucurella, right? Because they hold that for £50 million because you know that money is too much for somebody that's going to come and be our deputy. So come on, they can't go Anderlecht. They don't agree a fee to sign Gomez for about £17 million. So I don't understand why Guardiola can put Kylian for a short list again. See they could be interested in the guy. And whether Arsenal themselves would like to sell him, what you not think? Because personally for me, I don't would like for him. If anybody come for 10 million seller, that guy's injury prone. What good is he? When you get somebody the injury prone, when you need them most now, you will find him and you will see him. So you better just flush him. I'm not go buy another confirmed world class player. At least one side I sell that kind of Kylian. If Cucurella they cost £50 million, then Kylian will cost like 70-80 now. Abi. For the Arsenal All or Nothing Amazon documentary, what you could have watched. Remember, say I don't post the link. The link there for that yesterday show. What post for YouTube? I even put the link for the comment section for the top. You'll see I'm there. So I can't watch them. So you get one part, you make me laugh. Where would they go at Anfield with a knockers 4-0? So for the dressing room before they go, I thought I could tell the boys story. Say when they play football, so now only one time for a life, you know, they for stadium where we say ball just they move like as a midfielder. You know if you do anything, just stand one place. You know like this. The ball just they go like this, back, like ball just they go come on like with pace, just they come on from the face, back. Putting your listen at red shirt, like, and that place was at Anfield. See that place, you get another spirit when they work for that place. When you go there, you will be intimidated with the atmosphere. Because they tell the boys, say that day they chop 5-1, and him knows, say, if you forget that day for the rest of their life. So you want to make the boys play well, make them do very, very well. Even for the training session, you know that Liverpool anthem. I don't know that I'll tell singer, but I watch out for that documentary. As in the atmosphere, the way they can't record and put out for tape. So I thought I can't bring some kind of big stadium, come put out for the training ground. Because they play the thing as the boys they train, so that they go they used to that atmosphere, because that is what the fans will be singing there. They will ginger their own squad to destabilize you, to make you don't know what they do. So you come put the thing for the stadium, for the training pitch, the speakers they all around the boys very loud. So as the boys they train, the thing they sing, so that they go they used to the song. For the match, the first 30 minutes, Arsenal played very well. Even Liverpool fans, they were now quiet. They don't seem quiet because they expected the first 30 minutes they would not give us that back. So they're quiet now until Arteta can get that spot with your club when they won't come fight. The fans come para and shout. 8 minutes later, man in not boy internet go. So because they expect, as if you never watch that documentary, it's a season film. You get, they don't release episode 1 to 6, I think yes, 6. So me I don't watch 1, 2, 3. Now 4 I did now. Because each one is like 1 hour. So try watch out. it makes sense. It will show you a lot more like things will happen inside Arsenal when you don't really know about. You will really open your eye to those things. Even Piers Morgan will be one of Arsenal Arteta's critic, because the guy that's now a supporter, but they criticize Arteta well. So instead don't watch the All or Nothing documentary, so because they criticize Arteta again for the way they handle Aubameyang situation, because they can't explain how well for there. Show when Arteta they tell the boys say, oh this guy will not come out from due to his latest, that's what Arteta due to his latest disciplinary this thing. Say we as a club have decided to remove the captain man. Like if you watch out, you'll see where he explains it. Don't have for this season for the episode 4. Then talk many things about Aubameyang, where you know the score, where Arteta the changer, even for the dressing room for the train. Arteta they expect to say, I'll be changing players now. I don't think you have automatic share too, you know. So Baba they don't say Arteta don't handle the situation well. Say he humiliates Aubameyang. So that's his own opinion. Well, when I watch, I'm saying I will get my own opinion for myself. But the Daily Express don't come aside. They let us know say Arsenal they very very unlikely to follow through on this Yuri Tillemans move, because they say now Leicester don't reduce the price, but they don't see Arsenal going for the guy. Like they don't see him. So even though now the price don't come down to £25 million, so it's not really about the price. It's really about whether the guy will fit into Arteta's system. That's why Arteta no go really original. Well, whether they sign them up. Don't sign them up. But they shall get a defensive midfield as a cover for Partey. We don't want all those lack of squad depth. We want like maybe say we get SS player. Like back and get SS player. They don't feel ready to start again. Now that kind of thing we see at the final. So if you don't watch yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of the day and get out.